Hi, so this tutorial video will demonstrate how you can draw a Note 10 volt, which is assignment 1, week 7. So this is the drawing. So I specify the size. So we need to have this bolt and nut. So the bolt has a hexagon top, so hexagon head. The size is specified here. So the head thickness height is 5 millimeter, and then the thread total length is 30 millimeter, and then its size, the outer the side was 20 millimeter. So let's draw this one. So I'm going to start from drawing from XY plane, and to make the bolt head, I'm going to use polygon. And then I'm going to select inscribed polygon because I'm drawing a polygon which is 20 millimeter, the diameter with the diameter of circle, and put the hexagon inside of the circle, so which is 20 millimeter. Enter, and then finish sketch. So the thickness was 5 millimeter. I type 5. So, yep, I created this bolt head. And then next step is creating this bolt thread. So the bolt thread, I'm gonna start from drawing a cylinder. Cylinder, the size was 20 millimeter inside, and then the diameter was 20, and then also the length height was 30. So let's draw new sketch, and I'm going to start new sketch and draw on top of this top head. So create new sketch, and I'm going to select on top of the top surface, and then drawing from the center and 20 millimeter is the diameter, and then finish the sketch and extrude this one on inside of circle, and then 30 millimeter. Okay. And now I'm ready. So the next step is creating thread. So the thread was 20 times M20 times 2.5. So I'm going to select create and thread and select this surface. Click, and then show automatically shows the default was M20. M20 is the diameter of the circle, the thread, and then 25 is the height of a thread. So click, and I'm done. We created one bolt, and let me create another one. So I'm going to create sketch and select XY plane, and I'm let's look at the drawing. So I'm going to draw this bolt. So the bolt size is the same as this one. So the hexagon, the hexagon is 20 millimeter from the center to end. So I'm going to create new hexagon from random area, and then 20 millimeter. This is radius. So I'm putting a hexagon in. No, I'm just cancel. So I need to create polygon, inscribe the polygon, and then draw a circle. So which is the radius was 20 millimeter, and then I'm putting a polygon inside of the circle. So keep in mind this its radius was 20. So okay, and then finish the sketch, and then extrude this one. Um, Click the house button on the view cube and click, and 10 millimeter. Okay, all right. So, and then let's take a look at here. So the inside, I draw the polygon here, and then inside of the polygon, the size was M20 times 2.5. That means, let's go take a look at, yep. Okay. Right, so I'm back. I'm going to draw a circle, a sketch on top of this one, and then find the center, and then the diameter was 20. Okay, and finish sketch, and then I'm going to extrude this on this area, and then cut because I want to make hole inside the circle. So cut. So I made a hole inside the polygon. And then the next step is creating thread inside of the hole, the hexagon. So click thread and then select the inside. And the default, the fastener height was 2.5. So let's click OK. And I'm done. We created a pair of bolt and nuts. And the thread was 20 M2010, M20 2.5.